Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card which is you can see in this video, that is about describing a time when you first talked in foreign language. So this is kind of cue card, and so in this cue card basically I'm going to speak. Basically I create a challenge for myself because that's how, if you want to improve yourself, so you need to basically take a challenge for speaking. Otherwise it is very difficult for us to do a practice. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. I'm going to basically speak in this cue card so that I can improve like in speaking on the cue card. So this is very exciting exercise for me. So let's jump into this video. If I talk about like a foreign language which I was basically looking for, like apart from like English language, because it is which I've learnt like couple of years from past couple of years, and I do able to communicate to others in terms of day-to-day activities. But it was a time when I was having a lot of leisure time, like as you all know, you also have that time period like in COVID-19, where like I was not didn't know anything about some sort of skills, but still I know that if we know some sort of language, so it will be beneficial for us to communicate to other part of globe. So that's why I try to choose basically three language which is very spoken like day to day basis, and every country. So I found out three language which is very important if you want to travel to across the globe, and like multiple countries, basically widely spoken language. So there are under four language which is widely spoken, such as like Hindi, English, and Spanish and Mandarin. So these four languages are very top priorities for me, and so I try to basically search out like how like uh, if I speak Spanish, so how I feel like, so how much it is difficult, right? How much it is difficult. So yeah, there is one at that moment there is one trending web series as well, like Money Heist, which is why like a lot of people planning to basically do you speak Spanish, and there is some sort of criteria such as like I also want to basically I try basically to learn Spanish, and at the moment I was taking classes in Duolingo, and there are a couple of days there are meeting on a Zoom meeting where we got to know a lot of peoples who are coming from like North America, or you can say like countries where like Spanish is mother tongue. So there are like when I in the meeting there I found out like multiple people who are speaking fluently, and I didn't able to basically introduce myself. So yeah, this was a very interesting situation where I didn't find myself, and so yeah, at the moment I just listen to them, I find out that there's all the things are coming up to my mind, like all the things are like I'm not able to understand, so I just looking for one word in English so that basically I can talk to them. But yeah, there is one thing which is common is like nobody can speak in English. That is how difficult that meeting is. So I just try 2 to 3 sessions, so it will very difficult for me. Just I try to introduce myself, that is all. So yeah, it is very nervous as well because there is a lot of people and they are want to basically listen to you, but it is very difficult. So I tried in a COVID-19 where I was sitting at home and while talking to the peoples who are living in different countries. So yeah, so these are the things which I've done to learn foreign language. And if I talk about the cue card, so that is it. So I hope you watch this video. Basically, if I hope you like this video, and I'm also like you people. So I just trying to practice so that I can basically improve my fluency level. So on this video, that is it. Hope you guys like it. Bye bye. Have a good day.